In this video, I will share with you how to create an order invoice in Hostinger website builder appointment system. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger website builder. And for a previous video, I've already placed an order that I will create an invoice for in this video. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites. To locate this exact website, I will search using the website URL. This is the website. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight to the store management area. Now click on Orders. Then click on the order you want to create the invoice for. From this order page, click on More Action and select Create Invoice. You can preview the invoice before creating it. This is the invoice preview. Close this window and hit Create Invoice. Wait a moment. And just like that, your invoice is created. You can download it to your computer, print it, or send it to your customer via email. Let's download it and check it. This is the invoice. And this is how to create an order invoice in Hostinger website builder appointment system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. See you again.